Jimmy Carter says yes. Jimmy Carter says yes. Can our government be honest? Jimmy Carter says yes. Jimmy Carter says yes. Can our government...
Jimmy Carter's candidacy is truly of the people and for the people. He spent the last 22 months listening, discussing, sharing his concerns.
The way to end inflation, Carter says, is to commit the government to a program of full employment. On energy, Carter would favor regulating oil and gas prices. He would emphasize a shift towards solar energy, and he would declare economic war against the Arabs if they ever imposed another oil embargo. Also on the economy, one of Carter's first priorities would be a complete reorganization of the federal government. He would eliminate overlapping layers of bureaucracy and institute what he calls zero budget agency, justifying every expenditure each year.
With his past political experience as a governor, he'll make an excellent president.
I am Jimmy Carter and I approve this message.